ETL is absolutely essential to getting value out of your data. But why don't the current generation of ETL tools work? Built on poor proprietary formats that lock you in for decades, these tools require you to learn their format rather than the underlying Spark, all so that they can generate poor quality Spark code for you to use in the end. But now, you're entering a new world of data engineering for which these tools are obsolete. Data engineering is code first, and there are no tools to help you navigate this new world. You're currently stuck stitching together scripts and systems to do your work. We're 2 decades into the 21st century. You've got to demand more. Today, you deserve tools that enable you to author high-quality Spark code, whether using Visual Drag and Drop or a code editor that's standardized, performant, and maintainable. You need these tools to help you develop fast, with all the information you need at your fingertips. And you deserve agility, to provide the business with data fast, pushed to production multiple times a day. New generations of code-first tools need to be built to enable this, with compilers doing the heavy lifting. We've built Prophecy just for this. Let's take a look at it in action. Here in Prophecy, we've got an ETL workflow on Spark that processes terabytes of source data. You can spin up a Spark cluster with just one click and execute the workflow. You can use different cloud environments for this. Your development environment with a 100 megabyte snippet of data, or your organization's integration testing environment with terabytes of test data. Debugging an ETL workflow with real data is hard. With Prophecy, you can seamlessly test and validate changes by running the workflow and seeing the data flow through at each transformation component. As a data engineering tool, the workflow is stored as always 100% high-performance Spark code. You can seamlessly go between high-performance code and the visual graph. You can author and edit Spark code directly. The changes are saved and reflected in the Visual Workflow Editor. This works the other way as well. You can go from updates to your visual workflow directly to Spark code. This allows developers of various preferences to be productive with high-performance Spark workflows. Prophecy stores in Git all changes you've made to the workflow in a standardized code structure. You can set up an agile data engineering process by hooking up your CI/CD system to pull from Git. For example, running tests on every commit. When it comes time to production deploy, each workflow is packaged to be self-buildable and executable by a scheduler of your choice. We're excited to introduce Prophecy, a code-first data engineering tool that allows you to author and deploy to production high-performance ETL Spark code 10 times faster than you could do before. Give it a try yourself by getting a demo instance at www.prophecy.io.